Hello and welcome back to another video on Friend's Car Repair Corner. So today, I kind of made a bit of a mistake. So I was then racking my brains, what am I going to do? How am I going to sort this? Blah, 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 blah. So long story short, I snapped my bonnet hatch. So when I did the new battery, I didn't see the cable that was kind of, I think it's for the washer jets or something like that, was slightly hanging out. So when I've closed the bonnet, not seeing that, it looked like the bonnet was still open with this bit poking out. So I'm trying to open the bonnet and yeah, I just snapped it. So this is a video. I was like, you know what? I think I can fix this. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to make a little video on it. So, you know, it just sort of helps other people to be like, oh no, I've broken something. I've got to buy a new part. Where am I going to get that from? Blah, 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 blah. And loads of delays because, yeah, I want to get this sold. I'm hoping within the next week I can get this MOT'd. I've tested the brakes. Done all of that, so all of that part is now done. Mechanically the car is now sound. The only thing that is left is the rust, and yeah, now me sorting this out. The reason I had to get into my bonnet as well was because when I did do all my testing, I had an indicator bulb go, so I had to replace the indicator bulb. But yeah, all of that is now done. So let's just stop waffling and then I can show you what I mean by what I've done and how I'm hopefully going to rectify it. Okay, so it is here that basically I've snapped it off from. So if I show you, this would go in there like, and actually that way, right, so it sits in there like that, and then this then moves back and forth. Okay, so what I've done is I have drilled a hole in there, and I'm hoping I can then cable tie around and then it will then work. Fingers crossed. Right, okay, so something like that. Obviously I need to trim them off, but let's see if it can close and whether it will then open. Actually, I might need to cut those first, but let's just give it a go. Right, moment of truth. Am I going to be able to open up this bonnet again once I close it? That should disappear. There we go, so that's disappeared. Right. So it's that one. It's not poked it back out for me, but it is still there for me to grab. So, does it work? It doesn't look like it. I suppose it would help if I was actually pulling the right lever, not the handbrake. Right, I've pulled that. Yes! Okay, so I fixed it. That closes. Yeah, even if that's hanging out, you can't just pull it because then it will just snap it off. So you have to come in, not pull the handbrake, but pull that one. Give it a pull. Beautiful. Okay, happy days. So that's one fix that I've done that I ended up creating but is now sorted. So I think the next thing is going to be these arches. Okay, I have the paint and everything to do that, so that will help basically give me more money for the car. You know, that's the plan, you know, try and make some profit from this. So I don't know whether I'll end up doing that today because I haven't got an MOT booked yet. So that could be on the plan or on the cards, but I'm glad I've now sorted that. So I'm going to trim this bit up and then be done with that. And then, yeah, I'll do the wings. So I know it's a bit of a short one, but I wanted to show you that, yeah, if you do make mistakes, you can rectify rather than having to go out and buy, etc. And I'm hoping that this will then, yeah, resolve my issues and stuff. So that's the Mercedes. Mondeo's still here. I think I'm going to leave the video here for this one, and yeah, join me on the next one. I'll probably be doing the rust on this Mercedes. See ya.